Hey, what's going on? Matt Entertainment here. Listen, I got some important thing I want to share with you today. Something that's definitely going to help your business. So if you want to get somewhere that's quiet so you're not distracted, grab a pen, grab a paper, something to write with so that you can be able to apply what you're going to learn here today. So if you got to pause this video, go somewhere quiet, you need to do that right now. But I want to share something with you, the power of upfront fees and contracts. A few years ago when I started doing websites, I didn't have any contracts, started doing video work or things like that. I didn't have any contracts. I used to just, I was just freelancing, but that was causing more problems and headache for me. I remember when I first started, trying to get people to pay me $250 up front was a major challenge. They wanted to pay half up front and half later on, $250. So it was crazy. So there's certain benefits to having an upfront payment, and that's something that after years of doing the freelancing stuff, I didn't enjoy it, decided to do upfront fees and contracts. And the first thing when you're doing upfront fees and contracts is that one of the first benefits that you get with upfront fee is that you get the money to get all the resources. So all the revenues everything that you need to do for that particular project, you have the money to do that. Number two is, there's not that much headache, because I've done work for clients where I did everything to pay the half up. When it was time to pay the balance, it became a problem, and you don't have to deal with that. And then number three is if you have a team, you can be able to pay your team accordingly because you have the revenues to be able to do that. Now let's talk about contracts here real quick. So with the contracts, the first thing, the reason why I had to switch from a freelancing standpoint to a contract, because it helps you to be more organized. So when you're doing contracts, you're more organized. You know the specifications, the details of whatever you're doing, and you're able to keep track of it that way for your books, which is really important. And then number two here is the legal part of it. If people want to come back and say, either this, I have a company's attorney that deals with all the legalities, anything that happened, but you definitely want to be able to have that. And then number three is commitment. When people are a lot more committed when you have a contract, because they know that the stipulations of it, everything is clear, everything is out, everything is ready to go. So it's so important that you make sure that you have an upfront fee and you have a contract, that people sign. I went from charging people $250, for stuff to now people, I'm charging $1 million for the stuff that I do. So hopefully that helps you.